Your logo might be the reason no one trusts your brand. Sounds harsh? It's true. Studies show that brands with strong logos create 33% more customer trust than those without. But how exactly does a simple logo make or break brand loyalty? Let's dive in. Humans form first impressions in just 50 milliseconds. If your logo is forgettable or confusing, potential customers move on fast. A well-designed logo that builds an instant connection. What do Apple, Nike, and McDonald's have in common? Their logos trigger trust, recognition, and emotions. A great logo isn't just design, it's psychology. Color plays a massive role. Blue equals trust, PayPal, Facebook. Red equals urgency, Coca-Cola, YouTube. Green equals health, Starbucks, Whole Foods. Use the wrong colors and your brand loses credibility. The world's biggest brands all have one thing in common: simplicity. Logos with too many details confuse people. A simple, clean design that's memorable and scalable. Ever notice how big brands never change their logos drastically? That's because consistency builds recognition, and recognition builds trust. If you keep changing your logo, customers start questioning your stability. Did you know that a font can make or break brand perception? Luxury brands use serif fonts for sophistication. Tech companies? sans serif for modern appeal. The wrong font could be ruining your brand image. Your logo isn't just a symbol, it's a silent salesperson. It tells your customers whether you're premium, budget-friendly, modern, or outdated. If your logo sends the wrong message, you're losing potential customers. Strong logos don't just look good, they stick in people's minds. If customers can't remember your logo after 5 seconds, it's not working. Think your logo isn't working? You don't need a total overhaul. Small tweaks like better fonts, cleaner lines, and strategic colors can instantly boost brand perception. Here's what most brands get wrong. They focus on trends instead of timeless design. Chasing trends might seem cool now, but in a year, it makes your brand look outdated. Think of your logo like your signature. It's how customers recognize you. It's what builds trust over time. Get it right, and you create lifelong loyalty. Want to make sure your logo isn't hurting your brand? Grab our free guide, 5 Logo Mistakes You Can't Afford to Make. Click the link in the description to download it now.